All right, so what I have here is the Fireflame grill brush. Check this thing out. This has a long 21-inch handle from here to here. It's 9 inches from there. It is twisted wire, so it has a little bit of flexibility to it. This is a 7-inch head, but look what they did. Super strong spiral brass bristles right there, and it's made for cleaning up all types of grills. I don't have like a big grill, but I have the little grill right here. You can look at how caked on all of that is right there. So let's go ahead and let's put this thing to the test. So here we go. And you can see how it's separated between all of these, and it's working extremely good on this thing. This little grill's seen better days. There you go. It's not even that dirty. Looking at the bristles, I don't know if you guys can see the difference in the sides right here. This is the clean side right here, and this is the dirty side. So this thing really works well. I'm impressed. It wasn't hard at all to get that off. If I really wanted to get it even deeper, I would spray it with some sort of a grill cleaner. But looking at the difference in the sides between this side right here, you can see that. And then look at this side over here. Look at all that. So yeah, there you go, everybody. That's the Fireflame grill brush. Highly recommend this item. I think anyone that's grilling needs something like this. So yeah, let's get out of here. Let's finish cleaning this up and let's cook some burgers. Woo!